Welcome back guys. Today I am going to review a product which is very handy in nowadays scenarios because our mobile devices are so much power hungry that they turn off or they do not last through the day, and for that we need to charge them through a power bank. But all those traditional old fashioned power banks are of no use for us. Today I am going to review a Samsung fast wireless charging power bank. Yes guys, this is a fast wireless charging power bank. So without wasting any time, let us review this product. And by the way, this is Vikram and you're watching Techno Tumblr. I have been using this power bank for the last 7 months and I have evaluated all its pros and cons. Let's start with the build quality. The build quality of this product is very good, and it has a metallic body which looks very nice, and it is very easy to hold. It has matte finish on the front, which is a wireless charging pad, and it has a very good grip. If I place my smartphone on it, it doesn't fall off. See. Next, it has 4 LED lights which tells us about the battery status, the current charge of the power bank. There's one button, dedicated button. This is used to turn on the wireless charging. Then there's a micro USB C port, and there's a Type C port, and there's a micro USB port. So what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to use my personal Galaxy S10 Plus to charge it through this wireless power bank. So let's first see the battery percentage. So since as you can see, my phone battery is at 22%. So now I'm going to place it on the power bank. See, it doesn't start charging because we need to press the button which is present in the other side of the power bank. So this button is used to turn on and off the wireless charging. As when we will turn on the button, it will see as the light flashings and our wireless charging will start. So what it is showing, guys, it's wireless fast charging. So it will take 2 hours 23 minutes to fully charge a smartphone. So if we are using 15-watt charger, it would take 1 hour and around 5 to 10 minutes. So it takes the double amount of time to charge the smartphone if we are using wire. I will demonstrate again. See, wireless charging paused. Let me open the lock. So I am going to drop it down here, and it will automatically start the wireless charging. It started automatically because since I was just charging it previously, so I didn't need to press any button. So if I bring down the notifications, and it will say fast charging, it will take to fast wireless charging. Demonstrate the wired charging of this product. So what I am going to do is I am going to plug it in my Galaxy S10 Plus and see, it's a fast charging. So it supports fast charging at 15 watts through the wire, and through the wireless it supports 7.5 watts of the wireless charging. So this power bank can wirelessly charge your smartphone at 7.5 watts. Yes, this is not enough, but for a power bank it is enough, because if they would have gone for say 15 watts, that would have caused a lot of heat issues, and also energy conversion is not so good in wireless charging technology. And also, to top it all, this power bank supports 15 watt of wired charging, and also we can charge this power bank through a Type C cable at whopping 15 watts. Next, let's talk about the endurance. This power bank, if I charge my Galaxy S10 Plus, it can charge my smartphone through a wire twice. The Galaxy S10 Plus has a 4000 mAh battery, so it just charges it twice, and rest 2000 mAh is just energy conversion which goes into the air. If I charge my Galaxy S10 Plus wirelessly, then it will only charge it once, because rest of the energy is wasting in energy conversion. So you may think that this is just a wastage of money because it can just charge our smartphone only once, but let me tell you that it is very handy. So what I do is that I just place my Galaxy S10 Plus on the power bank and I place it in my pocket. So it charges my smartphone while in the pocket, and I don't have to bother about the battery status of my smartphone. Another good feature of this power bank is that it has it supports simultaneously charging of 2 devices. You can place one device on the top of wireless charger, and you can plug in one device to it, but it will stop fast charging of both the devices, and it will just charge them at a 5 watt speed. Yeah, that is good. Like sometimes place my AirPods on this while charging mat and they charge it. But mostly I'm using this power bank whenever I'm traveling outside, and I just place my smartphone over it and it just charges it. Like whenever I'm in a restaurant, I just place it like this, and I don't have to bother about the mess I have to take with the wires. So now let's talk about the price. I bought this power bank at a 3700 Indian rupees. I know this is a lot for a 10,000 mAh power bank, since we get it around of around 700 to 800 rupees. But if you look at the convenience, I think uh, it is slightly overpriced. If you get it from a deal at around 3000 rupees, then I would recommend this power bank to you, because it is the best value for money for you. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked it. If you liked it, please press the like button, and also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because these things keep me motivated. Till then, see you. Bye bye.